Stop spending $100 on a birthday cake from the grocery store. They are usually too sweet, super grainy, and full of artificial food coloring. As a professional pastry chef, my gift to my kids every year is the same: any cake they can dream up. And this year, my son has chosen a strawberry vanilla labubu cake. It is moist, it is fluffy, it is bursting with flavor, and the best part, it costs less than $20 to make. This cake is really simple to make and it only has 3 steps. In step 1, I'll show you how to make a fluffy vanilla cake. There's no butter, no oil, no special equipment, but then the result is a very nice tight crumb cake that is fluffy but sturdy enough to make decorating a breeze. And if you're still making that thick, super sweet buttercream, I'm going to upgrade your frosting game. In step 2, I'm going to show you how to make my strawberry cloud frosting. It's a very simple recipe with just 3 ingredients. Finally, in step 3, I'll show you how to frost the cake so that you get clean edges every time. I'll also show you the mold that I use in order to make my son's custom labubu cake. And it was so easy that actually my daughter ended up doing the labubu decoration for her brother's cake. I have here some heavy cream and some yogurt. In a large bowl, whisk the heavy cream and sugar until you reach medium peaks. When you lift the whisk, the peaks should hold their shape, but the texture should still be soft and creamy. Add the vanilla extract, then mix in 1 egg at a time, fully incorporating each egg before adding the next. Here I have baking powder and cake flour. I'm sieving them in so that the cake is light and airy. Mix until the flour disappears. The batter should be thick and slightly lumpy, similar to pancake batter. Grease your baking sheet or your cake pan, especially the edges and the corner. Add a piece of parchment paper and give it one final spray. Pour the batter in. Place in the oven, preheated at 340 degrees. This will cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. You know the cake is ready when the top is evenly golden and the sides pull slightly away from the pan. Once the cake is completely cool, use an 8-inch cake ring to cut clean circles. From this one recipe, you should have 3 full circles. Step 2, the 3-ingredient strawberry cloud frosting. Grind freeze-dried strawberries, then sieve to get a fine powder. Add it to heavy cream and sugar and whisk until thick and fluffy like Cool Whip. Place a 9-inch cake board inside a 9-inch cake mold and line the inside with a sheet of acetate. This helps keep the cake straight and gives you clean, smooth edges. Start with a layer of frosting, then add an 8-inch cake round. Continue alternating frosting and cake until you reach to the top of the acetate. Make sure that the top layer is frosting and then place a layer of 9-inch cake board on top. Once the cake is completely frozen, lift it out of the pan by holding onto the acetate sheet. Flip the cake upside down. Peel off the acetate and then use a spatula to gently remove the last cake board. And just like that, you have perfectly frosted cake with clean, sharp edges. To make the labubu decoration, I use this silicone mold. Fill the cavity with cream, making sure to press it down, like the way you pack sand into a sandcastle. This is to remove any air bubbles. Smooth the top and then freeze until firm. In the comment section, I will provide the links to all the products I used today. For the ingredients and recipe, check out my website. I have food at home. Is there a cake that you dream of making? Leave a comment and let me know.